Did you know there are actual rivers flowing on the ocean floor? But here's the mind-blowing part. Submarines can float on top of them. Deep beneath the waves, something incredible happens. When super salty water gets cold enough, it becomes so heavy that it sinks and flows like a river along the seafloor. These aren't just tiny streams. We're talking about underwater rivers that stretch for hundreds of miles. Picture this. Massive currents carving out banks and valleys on the ocean bottom, complete with waterfalls cascading down underwater cliffs. The water is so dense from all that salt that it acts like a separate liquid layer. Here's where it gets crazy. When submarines encounter these brine rivers, they literally float on the surface of the flowing water, like a boat sailing above another river. Imagine looking out a submarine window and seeing a rushing stream flowing beneath you on the ocean floor. Scientists have discovered these hidden waterways using special equipment, revealing an alien-like world where rivers flow within the sea itself. Nature's engineering at its most bizarre.